Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying ports and power. Plug the monitor into power and set its input. Connect the Chromebook using native USB-C or HDMI. If the ports differ, attach a certified adapter. Once connected, make sure cables click into place. A loose connector is the most common failure. You do this now so the system can detect the external display immediately. This reduces troubleshooting later and speeds up the configuration that follows. You now configure how the monitor behaves. Open Settings, go to Device then Displays. Chrome OS lists detected screens. Choose Mirror if you want the same content, or extend to use the monitor as extra desktop space. Set resolution and orientation to match the monitor's native specs so text stays sharp, and pick a scaling option if items appear too small. Once done, drag windows between screens to confirm placement, and assign primary display if you want the external showing the shelf and notifications. Finish by testing audio and input. Some monitors pass sound via HDMI/USB-C, so check Chrome OS audio output. Use keyboard shortcuts to toggle displays quickly. This helps verify modes. If nothing appears, reboot the Chromebook and receipt cables. Intermittent pins or bad adapters often cause no signal problems. If still failing, swap the cable or try another adapter and check the monitor's input menu. One key troubleshooting tip: test the monitor with another device to isolate whether the issue is the Chromebook, cable, or monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.